It's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. As you can see, I've already painted this styrofoam heart that I purchased from the Dollar Tree in the color Khaki by Apple Barrel. And now I'm taking some of that beautiful laced ribbon that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am going to cover this entire heart using this laced ribbon. I ended up using about 5.5 rolls, but TBH, or to be honest, I think you can get this laced ribbon or some variation of laced ribbon cheaper at Michael's or at Joann's or Walmart or Hobby Lobby, simply because you can, get it wider and use less ribbon than what I had to create this project. But nevertheless, it turned out cute. I was going for a shabby chic look. I think shabby chic is really cute, and I wanted to create something that would be sort of girly for my daughter-in-law. And I said, well, this is cute. And when I send my grandkids their Valentine's Day gift bags or boxes, I want to send something to her as well. And now you see that it's fully covered. I have some of that velveteen roses or the flowers, and I have glued that down in the center of the heart. I am creating a hanger to go on the back so that this can be a hanging piece. Now you do not have to use, create yours to be a hanger. I totally did just for, the sake of creating a wall hanger. I actually like creating those, if you haven't guessed by now. And guys, I just want to thank you all, my new and returning subscribers, for stopping by the channel and just paying me a little visit this evening. I did want to bring you something that, just to sum up the week. And I will be bringing to you on Tuesday the break time videos, and hopefully you all are enjoying those. And also, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. Woo! I got that out. And so as you can see, I think this is really, really cute. And you cannot go wrong. You can use the red, the pink. I even think they have some ivory color roses that you can add to the center. But guys, this is the reveal. You got to let me know what you think about this piece. I really think it turned out really cute, and I think my daughter-in-law, and I know she's watching it, I know she's going to love this. And red is her favorite color, so giving her that little red rose will make her smile. Guys, again, as a reminder, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about that notification bell. And until the next DIY, bye for now.